Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Coming to you directly from Sydney. Beautiful Sydney morning. Topic of today is I just want to talk to you about what's happening on October the 13th, right? It is going to be an incredible day. It's going to be awesome for what's happening, which is Prime Day, all right? So if you've ever experienced Prime Day before, not many people have. I've experienced it quite a few times here in Australia. It is an incredible opportunity for you to generate fast sales. Prime Day is a great opportunity to do sales. It's a great opportunity to start selling, increasing your sales velocity, and a whole bunch more. So if you're selling on Amazon right now, just be aware that Prime Day is coming up. Get prepared, get ready. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be a big day. It's like Christmas all coming at once, right? It's like 3 Christmas coming at one time. And it's a really good opportunity for you to sell more products than you've really sold any time before, right? It's really about leveraging this big day where people are wanting bargains to get those reviews that you want, right? And really drive home some fast sales. All right, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about the Prime Day, which is coming up. So just mark that in your calendar, October the 13th. It's 2 days, and it's in the US as well as Australia. So if you're selling in the US, it is going. You can still participate in this, obviously. If you sell in Australia, then you'll be selling on our Amazon Australia for the 2 days. And like I said, get ready, get your PPC ready. Get your coupons ready. You can do a lightning deal. You can start basically ramping up your ads. You can review your copy, your bullet points, review your headlines, your description. Make sure it's all optimized and your keywords. Get ready for Prime Day. It's going to be huge. All right. Get excited. It's going to be absolutely massive, and it's a good opportunity. Like I said, reviews are your lifeblood with Amazon. Big opportunity to collect all those reviews. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. Stay safe.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.